Come here, boy.
I was just gonna play some music. Bro, I'm not gonna kill him. I'm not doing just gonna play some music, bro. Like, what? Yeah, you're ready to kill other people.
What? What was that?
If you kill me one more time, watch what happens.
Hey, you think you revived me? I'm gonna give that a blood. What are you trying to do? Are you jerking me off? I can report you for that. I can report you for jerking me off. Help me out, Blue! He's jerking me, please! Yes, Blue, kill him!
Bye-bye. No goodbye.
Nah, what's up then?
What's up then? Come on, let's do this. Hey.
What? I'm not the janitor anymore. Okay, since everybody wants to kill me, everyone wants to do with the yeehaw, kill me, bro. Come on, I'll show you.
What's up then?
What's up then? I'll show you. I'll show you what it's like to be a janitor. I hate being a janitor, you know. I never wanted to be a janitor, but still get money. I work a 9-to-5 job, okay? But no, nobody likes janitors. Wait, so I'll show you the raft.
No.